Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix no SIM card detected. So how to fix this issue? You need to at first prepare yourself this tool. This tool is called SIM card tray opener. You need to prepare it, and now you need to take a look at the top of your phone. It doesn't have to be turned on, just closed like this. Put this SIM card tray opener into this hole right here until you see that your SIM card tray goes out. The rest of it you need to take out with your nails or your fingers. Here, as you can see, we've got our SIM card. And then now here we've got three things. You need to remove and reinsert it. Then check if your SIM card is detected. If it doesn't work still, you need to clean your SIM card using a microfiber cloth. Just wipe it 3 to 4 times and check if it works. If it doesn't work still, you need to put your SIM card to another phone. Your mother's phone, your brother's phone, any phone that exists. You need to check if your SIM card is detected by this phone, like this second one. If it is, your phone is at fault. However, if it isn't, your SIM card is at fault and you need to contact the carrier to verify everything. If your phone is at fault, you need to go even deeper. Put both SIM card and the put just SIM card in your phone. I meant system SIM card tray. And now here in your phone, you need to enter the settings. Here, scroll all the way down and tap software update. Tap download and install and see if you have any update your phone immediately. It can fix your every single issue. And if you don't have any updates, or if after the update it doesn't still work, you need to go straight to the general management. Now here, not accessibility, general management. Here, reset and reset network settings. Now tap this blue button, and as you can see, it resets the mobile data settings, so everything should be fine after that. If it's not fine, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. That's it, bye!